New in Dot3D 5.3 and up, recovery. So here we are concluding a large scan, finishing back at our April tags for critical loop closure. And wait, what? Phone call coming in. Capture has been interrupted, but you no longer lose your data. You see here that the recovery in Dot3D has protected your scan. There's been a backup going on throughout the scanning process, and all we need to do is follow the steps outlined here to recover our data and continue. So the first step is to press OK and be brought back to the gallery, where you'll then select the most recent recovery scan in the top right, and you'll be presented with the options to either append and continue or finish and save. In most cases, if you are working with a recovery file, it's because you were not done yet when the crash or closure of Dot3D happened, so you will want to select the append option to continue from where you left off, and we'll press that now. The append feature itself will function very similar to past uses of the append capability, so you want to select a frame you're comfortable repositioning in and align the ghosted image with reality. Dot3D is now relocalized, and you can continue scanning directly into that same original scan file as if you had never experienced the interruption. So we're going to finish this large loop closure that we had almost completed here, capture some data, closing the loop back on these two April tags on the staircase, turning them orange, and closing our scan with the bottom button. Now we see our first and second scans seamlessly combined into a single data set and ready for optimization. But before we do that, we need to finish the recovery by pressing the Finish/Save button and then pressing OK, which will take us back to the gallery view, where you'll find a new standard DP file of the recovery in the top right of the screen. You can tap to open, and everything from this point forward will function just as a standard unoptimized DP file would. So we will proceed with optimization, sped up here for your convenience, and take a quick peek at the resulting data before moving forward. Upgrade to Dot3D 5.3 and up today to have recovery in your back pocket.